Good morning everyone, it's Friday. Thank God it's been a long week with a tough start, but this morning I've woken up and I thought I would try a smoothie. So in here are the insects, and I've just got some milk and raspberries in there. Not a huge smoothie fan, but we'll give this one a go. All right, here we go. And there we are, one raspberry and mealworm smoothie. If I'm honest, it's not great. It's a bit bitty. Okay, it's lunchtime now and I'm just gonna do some cheese on toast, but we're gonna do it mealworm style. Mealworm! Yes, that's right. So I shall just lay the cheese over that, and then it looks slightly more appealing. There we are, all done. Bit of Barbie sauce, just to prove that they are still there. They are definitely under there. Look at them lurking. Ugh. Anyway, nice quick lunch.
Eat that. I see a little one behind there.
All right, that was delicious. So on to dinner next. Okay, so it's evening now, and I thought I would make some kind of bolognese type dish. So here goes. Oh, and this time we're using this stuff. So some of the gross stuff, which is looking a little bit like that. So in there, all I've got is some onions, some garlic and some peppers. And then I'm gonna add in the corn, or is it corn? It's soya, the succulent soya, onion and beets. So I put some passata in, and that's starting to bubble away nicely now. I had to add some water because it was so dry, but that's looking okay now. I'm happy with that. So I've added the mealworms and the grasshoppers and the buffalo worms. It's all in there. Here we go again. There we are, all done. And there's a grasshopper there. And there's the little buffalo worms. There is mealworms in there, but well, that dinner was rubbish. That didn't work at all, so it's pretty pants really. We'll try again tomorrow, last day. I think I'm glad this is coming to an end now. I'll do like a summary video tomorrow. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.